Welcome. In front of me is a THL T7, and today I will show you how to boot into the bootloader mode. So start off, we will need to power off the phone with the power key right here and select power off. And from here, once the device shuts off, we will hold volume up and power key. So volume up, power key together. And we're now in the bootloader mode. So from here you could navigate using the volume up only, and volume down is to confirm. And you can basically reboot the device, boot to fast boot mode or into recovery mode. I'm just gonna select to reboot the device now. As you can see, we're back into the normal Android. So that was how you would enter bootloader mode, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.